Hi, Dr. Momo here again today, and today we are going to talk about hiccups. Okay, so those tiny, adorable, yet slightly pain-inducing baby spasms, you're holding that precious newborn, they hiccup, and suddenly you're Googling, is my baby broken? Relax, your baby is not malfunctioning. They're just flexing those diaphragm muscles like a tiny gym bro. All right, so what even are hiccups? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, that big old muscle under the lungs and above the belly, gets a little too excited and it spasms. Okay, so, and guess what? Baby diaphragms are still learning the ropes, and so hiccups are normal and harmless, albeit dramatic. Okay, why do they hiccup so much? One big culprit, too much air in the stomach. So, babies swallow air when they eat, when they cry, or just exist. So, that air builds up in their tummy, which sits right underneath that diaphragm. So when that belly stretches out and pushes up on the diaphragm, it irritates it and causes that little trigger. And that little trigger of the diaphragm causes a hiccup. And since babies have an extra sensitive nervous system, remember, they're learning like a million things all the time, all day long. Their diaphragms are extra twitchy, which makes hiccups even more frequent. So, how to reduce hiccups? Again, remember, hiccups are normal, but if we need to work on reducing them, we want to feed babies smaller meals more frequently. We want to take breaks while they're eating to burp them, because again, we're trying to get that air out. And we want to make sure that when they're nursing or bottle feeding that they have a good latch so that they're not taking in extra air. Help! My baby has the hiccups right now. Okay. You don't need to scare them or rub their forehead or make them sip water backwards because, duh, they're babies. Okay. Most hiccups will disappear on their own, so just wait it out. But if they're particularly annoying for your little one, ways that you can help are offering a pacifier. It will help relax that diaphragm, giving them some tummy time or gentle belly rubs, or pausing and burping them. Okay, if hiccups last for hours or interfere with feeding, then you need to get the pediatrician involved. So, final word, next time your baby hiccups, don't panic. Just enjoy the cuteness and know that their little diaphragm is in there putting in the work. Until next time, do good, kiss the baby, love yourself, toodles!